Oh, hey, Newsweek magazine this week had a very big article on the web and the big time people that produced it. And they named people like the Google twins and Bill Gates and some others. And there's a bunch of people who made incredible amounts of money in a very short time. There was a fair-sized group, like the guy who invented PayPal. Are we supposed to think that's great? And Mark Andreessen, who had the Netscape before Google came along, but blew it by not protecting the customers. So, but you get a lot of these kind of people who actually did something. Then you started getting these people who are famous. They got a big audience, something like that. And I've never heard of any of them except one, Arianna Huffington, who runs a liberal newspaper on the web. I remember her, though, before then, when she was married to a right-wing millionaire in California, and she went all around the country doing right-wing extremist propaganda while her husband was running for governor, I think. He lost. Well, and then she got divorced, now she's a liberal. Now, the main thing about the famous type people is they're more matters of style than they are of content. Content may be untrustworthy and get you in trouble. But style and cutesy and big teeth and maybe a motor mouth, some of those characters can go through thousands of words fast as they can move their lips without making the slightest fluff. I can't get through 10 words without making a fluff. But they're all style. There's very little content there. And they pretend there is, but it doesn't amount to much. Well, the web is a marvel. I got a book called The Tubes, about the physical layout, how it is. A great deal of cables, a great deal of routers and servers, and the codes put up. The book doesn't mention Tim Berners-Lee for some reason. And they credit some other people with the Benedict beginnings. But anyway, we got a worldwide communication system now. Anybody can talk to anybody if they have a little equipment. Now, in the human race, a proprietary personality is a big deal. They're the ones that wanted to put barbed wire fences all over the West where there are cattle ranches. And what Mark Andreessen didn't bother with in his Netscape, he let the businessmen game his search engine and bring themselves up for practically everything. You couldn't find anything then. Well, they're still the proprietary personality is fanatical. They're going to want to take over the net and fill our ears with right-wing propaganda and buy this and that and the other thing. And holy crap. I wonder if that'll ever happen. I hope it doesn't.